My name's Elaine Weidman Grunewald. I graduated from Boston University's Center for Energy and Environmental Studies. I spent the last 20 years working for a global tech company in Sweden called Ericsson, but these days I'm working in the AI Sustainability Center, which is a center focusing on the positive impacts from technology. But we also want to look at what are the impacts to people and to society. When I think about artificial intelligence and AI, I think about, are we going into a world of utopia where new cures for cancer can be found? Or maybe you're looking for cost efficiencies and you want to automate your whole business. So the business potential, the potential for people and society is enormous and amazing. But what about the dystopian angle of it? Are we living in a world that's increasingly surveilled, where privacy is becoming a thing of the past, and where there's inadvertent harms? They could be intentional or unintentional, but we see more and more cases of where data-driven technologies like AI are starting to cause different bias, discrimination, and other inequalities in society. In my book that I just published called Sustainability Leadership, a Swedish approach to transforming your company, your industry, and the world, that I co-authored with the CEO of Scania, Henrik Henriksson, we talk about how digital is actually the next sustainability frontier, and how anyone using data-driven technologies needs to understand not only the benefits, but also the risks that can be associated with those technologies. Going back 10 or 15 years, it was just the tech sector that was digitalizing. Today, every industry, every organization, whether you're in the public sector, the private sector, are rapidly undergoing digitalization. My advice to leaders and emerging leaders today is don't underestimate the importance of sustainability. We see sustainability rising in leadership importance, whether you're in the investor side of that equation, or whether you're producing products, or you're in the nonprofit sector or government sector. So I think this will increasingly be on every executive agenda, and leaders that get ahead of that and can be proactive with that have a real opportunity to help make the world a better place.